Alright, time to expose the fridge of Steelmold and Princess. Or the temporary fridge, if I can actually find it. This one. Nope. This one. Nope.
What nonsense.
This one. There we go. Alright, so we've got Biodinkel, Natur, and open this up. Just ignore the voices in the background. They don't mean nothing. Berliner Kindle. That means Amazon Kindles. Like a tablet.
It's not ours. It was there when we came. Someone left it for us.
This, I assume, is theirs though. Franz Ziskaner Weissbier. That's white beer. Makes sense because they are white. More Franz Ziskaners. That's some unopened Gouda. I'm assuming this might not be theirs either. But it might. Tomatoes, because that's how you do it. I'm assuming that's to make hummus. And a single gherkin. Not pickled yet. They're gonna pickle it themselves, that's what they like to do. And then 2 lemon halves. I'm assuming that's also for the hummus. They have pretty much got it made here. Now we find a secret fridge. Oh. Never mind.